I want that.
E. Okay. Test. Okay. Okay, it works. Okay, so yeah, not much is been going on with the storm. Weekly strengthening, whole bunch. So yeah, yeah. Cause a pretty large storm, I'd say. 1 minute. Okay, so this is a big NHC advisory. NHC advisor, not BHC. Oh, okay. So yeah, big. If we had to choose a landfill location, it probably wouldn't be around here because the trough. So it'd be probably around here. We have a trough right here, upper level trough that's gonna be walking out, and it's gonna be pushing the storm northwestward. And the storm is gonna continue. Can probably continue to run right along it, or continue to just head down there. So we'll see though. We could see it go towards down here. See it here, here. Probably not. So yeah, So if we're taking a look at the picture right now, this is the low. You can right here. We got right into bed on this. We have a trough here. So then we have, so it's basically forced to like either make maybe a right turn, but right now they're forecasting for like this to happen, which to be honest, I'd see that happening actually. Kind of agree. So if we did not have a trough there though, he'd be probably making landfall around here. But it's not. So it's bad news, but it's gonna be going to cooler water. So around this line is unfavorable conditions. It's entered it, and now it's getting sheared. It's getting dry air. Actually, maybe dry air. Probably not actually, because all the dry air is pocketed right here. And then we have shear though around 30 to 40 knots actually. That's what was in the malls, and that's what's happening right now. So I'm not surprised. It's 5 viewers though, not bad. Probably getting a lot of watch time, but this doesn't matter. So yeah, big storm zones. So yeah. We're gonna have an hour of commentary. Now we're gonna go for probably around a 10 to 20 minute break. Then we're gonna be back. Maybe we'll see though. But I'm gonna be replying to questions if you have any actually. On the PSI scale, this is right now 67 actually. And then the SI scale is right now 71. If you want me to explain the PSI scale, it's the potential storm intensity scale. It's very pretty strong. That's and we base it off of a 1 to 100 scale for both. And since we base it off to 1 to 100 scale, PSI is the damage it was caused, and what was caused right around here was actually worth a 71 actually, believe it or not. We've seen parts of buildings ripped off, buildings completely collapse, not large but trees down. That's a 71 PSI. Since it's weakened, we are right now even at a 67, but the issue is everything's destroyed here. Still not destroyed here, it's like right around here. It's still completely destroyed probably. It's what I've seen anyways. It's still not looking too good. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna the effects there. But squall lines haven't been as bad, so yeah, I don't think this is okay. It's all good. It's all good. So yeah, we're doing pretty well right now actually. I'll be answering. Houston. You're gonna be getting some rainfall actually. What would be probably around half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, maybe at most. I'm not sure. I don't think they're gonna get much rain now. Around here, you probably estimate your total. So yeah. So we'll be right back. Okay, we are back now on the air again. We're gonna probably continue this all morning, so this afternoon as well. We're gonna take a small break at 11, and then we'll be back on the air at around 1. Actually, probably not even 1. We'll see actually. On the schedule is right now looking it won't be actually. We'll have to see then. This is very strong storm. As Delta though is weakening still, we just got the advisory notification. It's now 115 miles per hour right now. Pressure of about 962 millibars, so it's still on a weakening trend right now. If we're taking a look at the cone now, I don't think they updated it yet. They haven't. They're saying, probably around, maybe an afternoon, evening landfall. Cone is right now, for us, for what TUG shows, this is what's within these two lines that we set up right here. And then the blue line that's along the coastlines is expected. So in between Cameron and Intracoastal City, there's a possible landfall spot, but can't confirm it if it will be that. So I would, but that wouldn't be good. So no, ignore it. The storm is going to continue, head off to the, probably off to the northeast, east-northeast. Actually, probably not. Actually, northeast, north. Yep. Yep. Reading this. 2030? No. Central Delta moving northward towards the southwest Louisiana coast, expected to bring hurricane conditions and a life-threatening storm surge to portions of northern Gulf Coast later today. As of 10 a.m. CDT for the October 9th, the center of Delta was located at 28.0 degrees north, negative 93.8 degrees west, with a movement north at 13 miles per hour. Minimum pressure, central pressure is 162 millibars, and a maximum sustained winds of about 115. Is an entire thing, but that'd take hours to say. So we're just not going to read the entire discussion. So let's do it. It's a big storm. Storm's been going on for like 55 minutes now. So it's already 55 minutes actually. So. So this is but right now if we're taking a look at TUG's cone, it's saying it's gonna continue. It's gonna die out probably in the middle of Tennessee, Kentucky maybe. We'll see though. So that was gonna be, well, we need to see actually. That could be, I don't think it is though. But still, this is all definitely part of Lee Charles. They deployed the mobile radar, but we're not going to be able to get that. Yeah, this is going to be a while before landfall, at least. So that would be pretty large scale. But still, right now, southern Iowa, it's not looking too well, actually. I don't, it's again sheared apart or something? I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna take a look at the satellite imagery for Oh no, it's still blowing up convection. We're taking a look at the very large storm though. Convection spans out up until I don't know where the eye would be though. The eyes, this is a large area of convection right around here. It goes to a large area of convection right here. So yeah. It's not very good, but we'll see though. The areas of convection right around here are starting to die out. You can see there's some blacks earlier. Now it's down to some reds. So that would be pretty good if that would just fall, collapse. Oh yeah, for major storm reports, by the way, quote this. Supposedly for this entire section, this entire section is right now canceled actually. It's right now postponed their games. And they're moving towards right around here, or maybe even Florida. Because of the Delta. So congrats to Delta actually for ruining it. That's why it's not really happening in Europe, in Louisiana though. Games have been completely canceled actually. Right around here actually. Usually at Lake Charles would be playing. They'd be playing right now actually. But TG Tornado, us said we shouldn't have to go have the game. So yeah, it's not much going on at this point. It's not much to talk about until okay then. That's interesting. I didn't even realize I got that. Hey, I think a new sub, I believe. No, I don't know. Maybe. Go. Okay. Bruh, he set it up so badly, actually. So yeah, big storms ahead. We'll be talking about this all morning. 11, probably we're gonna be taking a break within 40 minutes. Back in the air again. And then this afternoon we're gonna get another round of some. So yeah, yeah. Apart from that though, I'm right now taking miles. I'm not even taking. I'm taking a look at satellite. It's still blowing up convection, I believe, and I think it's gonna be able to do that. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. Yeah, I don't have much to do. E-learning has been really messed up my life, actually. Not really. It's been holding me back from making a lot of videos recently, actually. I'm still doing videos though. But during the weekends we're gonna be uploading 2 to 4 times more than what we usually do, actually. I'm usually gonna be uploading like update video, emergency weather updates maybe, tornadoes maybe, actually. Right now there's a slight risk actually that isn't for tropical activity. Tonight there's a bunch of tornadoes probably, and tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna be pumping out these videos. We're probably not gonna be able to do them a lot, but actually I'm gonna do my weather update for the day on Twitter. I've been taking a break on it because I've just been pretty busy, actually. So yeah, follow my Twitter as well. I might link in the comments, or you can go to my about section on the channel. I don't know how many followers I have. Probably not that many. For my sleep, you guys. So yeah, not much though. Okay. Big storms though. Okay, that's interesting. I think we're not gonna end the stream yet. Right now we have some small spiral bands around here affecting Houston. Around here is some rain, and around here is a lot of rain. So if we had a rainfall estimation right now, I'm saying 4 to 7. Actually, probably not even 4 to 7. I'd say 8 to 12 here inches of rain. And then around here, there's a flash flood watch actually for estimations of around 4 to 12 inches of rain. So that could be pretty bad, I'd say. So right now we're just taking a look at the model data. They're saying 970. If we're taking a look at this, they're saying a landfall of 973 millibars and a weakening trend. So at around around 18Z Friday. So it'd be pretty. So if we take a look at this, so the storm is going to continue to head to the northeast, become a remnant low, and then merge with trough later in the week. We could be getting a weather video actually on Monday. There's a chance maybe, and then a very cold air is going to be moving through the area, with a possibility of some snow, not in my area, but they're a couple miles north. They're saying a chance of snow, so yeah, that'd be pretty rad if we got snow. No. And then, so I won't be complaining actually. If we're taking a look at the GFS though, ensemble, and they're saying some above average precipitation in the south this week, and then it's supposed to dry out though, just because of Delta. If we put this into play, 1 minute. So yeah, this is a pretty. So yeah, I don't think this is. So yeah, if we're taking a look at the next 12 hours, they're saying pretty big storms maybe. They're saying that DFS is saying 977, so it'd be pretty good to become a remnant low, merge with a trough in the east. Big lines of storms expected to hit my area actually, according to the GFS. We'll see what happens because it's a couple days out. GFS is saying snow in my area. I don't know how, but that'd be pretty interesting. A bit snow in snow in mid-October. We don't usually see that. We usually see it. Last year we had record-breaking snow. We had like 6 inches of snow. We don't usually get that. They're saying cold air is gonna be zipping down. That's the GFS though. If we're taking a look at the CFS, which is the long-term model, we get some actual stuff. They're saying 995 millibars. It's not very good for tracking. It's only good for tracking precipitation. That was the same thing. They're in agreement though. They're saying rain on Monday, a pretty big line as well. You can see those. I think a line of storms. We'll see. We might take a look at the HER, see if because the HER is known for it's known for good supercellular development, supposedly. If we're taking a look at this. They're saying a 972 millibar, 973 millibar actually. Landfall, which is kind of, they're saying at around 22Z. So yeah, there's no data though. These are literally basically fresh off the press, I believe. if we take a look at the GFS, actually, high GFS, high res. Yeah, we see many stuff. They're saying around. We're seeing how much rain we're expected to get. How much rain am I expected to get? They're saying no precipitation. And then they're saying around 4 inches around. No, I don't think that's good. That's not accurate. We're not gonna get 4 inches. Alright, knew that for a fact. Yeah, we're gonna take a small break. We'll be back in a couple more minutes to another round of some weather reporting. Okay, we're back on the air. I accidentally ended the stream. So, yeah, I don't think that's, I accidentally ended the stream, so I apologize for that, actually. Well, we got it back up, though, so, yeah, so this is a big storm, I'd say. I'm gonna put this back on loop since it probably hasn't been in who knows how long now. So the storm, it's right now, the southern side is still not looking too good. As we're getting closer to the radar, we can see some small little gaps in the eye wall. Southern eye. Majority of these storms do not have anything in the southern part of their storm, usually in the Gulf. We've seen that. Marco, if we're taking a look at every single storm that made landfall in Louisiana, Marco made landfall around here. All the rain was all the way down here. If we're taking a look at Delta, all the rainfall was right here. We made landfall right here. So I mean, it was sheared apart, but it wasn't as bad as Marco. We had Gamma, the rain was down here. So it was right here. Had some convection though after it died, so good for them. We had Laura. Made landfall around here. Actually, no, made landfall right here. All the rain was right here. So, I mean, we've seen that. We've seen many storms that are sheared. All the precipitation are far away. And then, since the storm is so... This storm is pretty large. It isn't the largest so far, I believe. Teddy had a pretty large area of influence. It had it had influence from all the way from right here. It had large feeder bands that went, and then the storm was like around area of clouds was around like this size. So it was pretty large actually. It wasn't. People say it was the largest. Actually, I disagree. It really wasn't. Sandy Touchwood Tip was much larger still, and so I kind of disagree actually. You believe you though. It really wasn't. So. Okay. Big storm. Big storm. Big storm. This is a massive storm actually. I don't know what to say at this point. At this point I'm just in a big storm because, I don't know what to say, actually. Oh, dang, there's some within the eye, there's some precipitation there. It's either, might be some bugs. Let's check the coefficient. Probably not, actually. Nope, it probably isn't. Yeah, it definitely isn't. But there's definitely some bugs in here, maybe. You see those blues. You're probably just pretty good. Pretty massive, actually. So, I don't know what to say at this point. We've talked about the storm for a while, and now I'm running out of things to say. We have around 45 more minutes until we're gonna probably end it here. This stream has been going on for a while, actually. How long? I can't tell you. How long? It's been going on for around 86 minutes. We're gonna have 2 hours of discussion. Then this afternoon we'll be back from around 2, I believe, actually. It might be 1. 2 or 1 o'clock Central. And we'll be streaming all the way to 4 or 5 Central. And then we're having autumn, and then later this evening around 6, we're gonna have another stream. We're gonna be watching landfall happen. It could happen this afternoon. Who knows what's gonna happen? But this eyewall needs to get some help. It's right now tearing up. It's right now tanking. If we're taking a look on Loop, it's not looking too well right now. It's looking very ragged on the southern side, but that's on radar. Some convection blow-ups are still happening off the coast. Feeder bands are gonna be, there's gonna be some feeder bands off of around here, and there will be storm moves eastward, Dalga move eastward. So that's pretty big news. We're gonna take a look at the northern Louisiana. Still some pretty heavy. You're gonna get some light rain or some heavy rain right now. Actually, area of influence is very large. Actually, it spreads out all the way, probably towards down here. Yeah, definitely. And then you have it. So in terms of area of influence, it's very large. This is the main part of the storm, and then the rest of it goes out towards there. So I'd say if I give it storm size, we'll see. But right now, PSI scale, it has been getting lower, actually. And it's been dropping some levels, but if we get some convection in there, I think we can get this in here. So if we're taking a look at Delta right now, convection's still blowing up. And some more convection blowups have been seen around the center, so that's probably why we're seeing some some more heavy rainfall will be falling. It's gonna be as the storm is going to continue head off to the north and east around pretty quickly. Not really, but we'll see though. As now we have cloud tops entering the coast at around negative 70 degrees, so it could be 70 degrees Celsius actually. But we can see convection's been holding itself very well at around 90. It's not very good though. Good news. So so the majority of the convection's right around here. Just some more flare-ups happening right around here. So yeah. We'll see what happens actually. Because I can't tell you because I don't know I can't give you a bold, confident prediction on what landfall could be. It's holding itself very well this year, so I mean, still able to blow up convection. Usually that doesn't happen. But this is a strong storm, so usually convection could happen. If we're taking a look at the shear, actually probably can't. If we're taking a look at the GFS shear, they're saying it's right now skyrocketing, still in that process. It's still gonna probably rise supposedly, according to models, and I think I could agree with that. The one thing I disagree about the DFS is how they're saying the snow. Actually, I don't get that. We'll see though. It's far away. So this is we need to see what's gonna do with this, because if you take a look at the dry air water vapor map, it really a minute. We are right now I'm trying to load up so we can give you an accurate Okay, now we're taking a look at the water vapor. We need to see if it's loading up. So, okay. Yep, a ton of moisture to the north of me, actually. Very moist there. Oh my god. Yep, how I expected it. Along the trough, actually behind the trough is a bunch of dry air right around here, which is right now, actually, if we're taking this on loop, yep, some dry air moving this. There's right now there's a trough with some dry air right around here. It's moving to the east at pretty fast rate, actually. Not really. It's moving pretty slowly, actually. It's not really there, actually. It's around. It's right around here. Very large areas right there, and then you see this, and the trough is pushing this as this right there. It's continuing to push off to the east, which could push the trough actually, force it to accelerate to down here. So we have to see actually. I can't give you with a high degree of confidence because yeah. Let's see, that's done. Yep, it's done. You're gonna have a pig in your mind, and your mind I'm not me. Okay, we're good. Okay, we still have we have another 30 minutes left of discussion. If you have any questions, you can chat. The other person that's watching the stream, this is one of the best streams he would have ever had. Very ragged eyeball, actually. I'm just saying, on radar it looks so ragged. I cannot. It's really, really not looking good. I need to save this as an image. I'm gonna save this screenshot and we're gonna take it to the professionals. We're gonna see if that's actually the eye. A minute. Okay then. Cool. What the dirt on the ground. Okay, we took it out. I'm confused if that's the eye. We're taking it to the professional. It is. Okay. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Am I giving some opinion? It's the eye. I don't think this is very. I don't know what does this look like. It's not looking too good. If we're taking a look at satellites, it's looking pretty good. That's decent. Dirt. So yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say at this point. This is not looking good. Looking eye. It's It's looking really ugly, actually. I don't think. So yeah. I'm gonna be sending my observation. No, this is not. So yeah, we'll be doing stuff. We'll be right back, actually. Okay, we're back. Hey, hello there, Weirdo141. How's your day been? I should talk more about the storm. What have I said was not been said yet? Big storm. Trash eye wall. I don't think it's good. I don't think it's very this is big, pretty large scale storm, I'd say right now. It's probably continuing the weekend if we're taking a look at satellite imagery. Now that I have everything I need to do, I have the free will to do this. We're gonna be taking a look at Delta now on Delta on satellite imagery. I'll be explaining it to you. If you want to see it, I'll share the link with you in the description. No, in the description chat real quick. So this is, I'd say, convection blowups are right now happening around the eye. 2 convection blowups, but the first one didn't last very long. The second one is still ongoing. So, if we take a look at Delta, convection blowups are right now happening around the eye. 2 convection blowups. The first one didn't last very long. The second Weirdo141, you're now mod for TD Tornado Weather Chat. So, congrats to you. Yes, actually, it depends on how it affects the All City American Football League right now. The commissioner is right now explaining, they're saying, it could, but is it likely? It could, but right now, it definitely will actually, because right now, since people are evacuating, next week is the games, and probably around the areas that affects, it's going to be how am I gonna explain this? People are going to be probably moving games. Since the first couple weeks, according to the commissioner, or L conference games, if there's any games in the south that are playing in the north, the east, or the west, they'll be, instead of home games, they'll be away games now. So, yeah, it's, I don't know how this is gonna go down eventually. More convection blow-ups are happening on the southern side of the storm, actually. Southeasternly side, this is... So, I mean, the storm is still strong. It's been holding up its convection for a while now. If we're taking a look at the, so if we're taking a look at the hurricane, mean, right now it's basically an average. Along the Eastern Pacific, it's below average. That's anomalies, actually. For anomalies, right now they're saying in the Eastern Pacific it's way above average, around 2 to 3 degrees above average. Around the Gulf of Mexico, it's around average. Below average along the coast, way below average, around 3 to 4 degrees below. And then around the Gulf Shore, not the Gulf Shore, the Atlantic, Western Atlantic, in the Caribbean, it's still above average. More pockets. Yeah. So if we're taking a look at the actual anomalies for around the Caribbean, it's around much longer, dang. But if we're more talking about the storm, then right now it's still headed north. If it's heading north, it's gonna make another landfall, and you know what it is, Cameron. Cameron is about to get hit by 2 different landfalls if it continues going the same direction, which I think it shouldn't, but we will have to see. Yeah, we have the La Nina in effect. This winter, you're going to be seeing much more in your live videos than what you're seeing right now. This has been a below average year, by far. Below average year. For last year, we've had many storms coming in, raging in. Last year, in September, we had like 5 to 7 storms, maybe every 2 weeks. Last week, we had like 20 storms. 20 big-time storms. Well, not actually big-time storms, historical storms, but storms that I'd say are big enough to, they are big enough to, be uploaded to this channel, but, I created this channel for the intentions to record some in real life weather videos, and then when I create this channel, we get no activity. We've had some activity in July, but was it really much? Yeah, it really wasn't. Very strong La Nina, though, I have to say that. We're taking a look at the recon. Is there even a recon mission right now? I don't think there is. They're recording winds of around... saying 64 knots, around 83 to 96, so category 2 though, not bad. It's in progress right now actually, so we get to see every 10 minutes we get an update. That's pretty good. Okay, we have 22 more minutes until we have 19 now. We've seen, taking a look at the first ones for this though. I'm gonna take a look at the storms right now actually. Intensity guidance though is saying around a dip. This is right now having a second peak. So one of them saying, I think it's more of a statistical CM2. It's more statistics, I believe. Same thing with UK X2. And then, because they're both saying at landfall it's supposed to drop and then strengthen and continue to stay at the Cat 1, which will happen. Same thing with the EGR2 and the AEM1I. They're saying a tropical storm dying out in 60 to 84 forecast hours. CM2 though is probably the worst one so far. Saying a mid-level category 1, and dying out in the middle 108 hours. I mean, it's possible, but I don't think it's happening. We have post-tropical is probably likely within the next 24 to around 48 hours. That's what all the models have been saying, and I agree with them. The only ones I disagree are the ones that are dumb. So for taking a look at this very complex image right there. For taking a look at the forecast cone, they're saying a landfall right around. They're saying landfall right around here, right around the Cameron area, which is ironically the middle. And then it's gonna head to the northeast, become a tropical storm, and then that's tomorrow night. It's expected to become a tropical depression. Could do that earlier, actually. I'd say earlier, maybe. And then it's expected to become a post-tropical on 7 p.m., which, to be honest, I'd see happening and dying out. That's what they're saying. Saying miles, they're saying 1,000. They're saying 1,000, 60 millibars. Many miles are saying that's on the easterly shores. But right now, unfavorable conditions are right now showing that will happen actually. So, yeah. Then the westerly are saying a weaker storm, and also the westerly are ironically saying it's gonna die out earlier. So, 1,010 millibars. Around 72 forecast hours, so I think it's but it's not official info, so I can't say that. But if we're saying it's really it right now. If we're taking a look at the National Hurricane Center though, they're saying, day one, there's a 5-day outlook. They're saying a tropical wave located several hundred miles southwest of the Cape de Verde Islands continues to produce disorganized showers and thunderstorms, and a few thunderstorms. The wave is going to move generally westward or northwestward at about 15 miles per hour. Environmental conditions could be conducive for the gradual development of the system this weekend or early next week before it's located over the tropical Atlantic, well east of the Latin Antilles. Upper level winds are forecast to become unfavorable for further development by the middle of next week. Formation chances for next 48 hours, low near 0%, and then formation chances within the next 5 days is around 20%. So I mean that's pretty good. So yeah, they're saying 2 disturbances, one of them 50 in the Eastern Pacific, and in the Western Pacific there's 50, 0, 50, and then we have 0. So, if we're taking a look at 0, weak area of low pressure located 750 miles southwest southern tip of Baja California Peninsula is producing limited shower storm activity. Development with the system is no longer anticipated as it drifts southeast, the southeast or eastern couple days before dissipating near tropical storm depression at Norbert early next week. Norbert should be dead. It's literally 30 miles per hour. I'm surprised it's still alive. It's moving northwest at around 3 miles per hour. But with the big disturbance that could shower thunderstorms remain disorganized as dry mid-level air surrounds a small low pressure system located about 1,000 miles west-southwest. So tip of Baja California. Environmental conditions are forecasted to be somewhat conducive for development. A tropical depression could still form while the low moves toward the west or west-southwest at about 10 miles per hour during the next few days. Okay. What's been going on with the eyes, first of all? It's looking like it's gonna split into two. See those two slots. I don't know what it's doing, to be honest. I don't want to know, actually. I don't want to know because it's becoming glad to know. I hope it's just something that is just big disaster happens with the storm, like entire structure just collapses, but that's not happening. No development. I don't think this is gonna be. We'll see what happens though. Yeah, they're saying it's gonna expect the weekend still. Let's see though. We're taking a look at the ECM. Saying they're pretty good, actually. They're saying they're pretty good. Yeah, they're saying a small dip in the jet stream. A couple dips, actually. More than one. And, that could help it. But this is a pretty strong storm. Very strong. Wouldn't be surprised if this storm, mommy. It's on a weakening trend, so it's good. It's gonna be a category 1. So, yeah. So yeah, this is pretty large snowstorm. So, So this is I don't know what to do at this point. Oh shoot. We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna probably end the stream here. So, yeah, like and sub.